Okay, y'all, so I just got ready for the day. I made myself a little smoothie to just put something on my stomach, and I put granola in it. Not the best one I've ever made, but it'll do for now. So right now I am about to go into the hair shop to get some hair to get my hair redone. How many times can I say hair? I am getting my hair redone next weekend, so I just need to get some more. Even though this hair held up really well, I'm just going to get one more bundle and a new closure. I love closures now just because I don't have to worry about putting heat on my hair to blend it. So it just protects my hair better, so I can like grow my hair to be healthier. But anyway, just did my makeup. I'm wearing the Chanel foundation. Actually, I need to put something on my lips. Sorry. I'll stay coming on camera without any lip product. Let's see. I'm gonna use my Merit Beauty Shade Slick in Taupe. This is a favorite, but I shared this in a previous video, but I'll link it below. And then I did a review of the Chanel foundation, so I'll also link that video below. But yeah, I am about to go to the hair shop. Then I want to take myself on a little solo date, and I also want to go to Neiman Marcus to try on some B-Day shoes, and also just look to see like if I want to get myself any B-Day gifts, or like if anyone asks me what I want to know what to tell them. So I want to look at the Dior perfumes, because I really do want a new perfume. If I can't find one that I like, I know that I really want the Byredo Sun-Dazed perfume that my mom actually got when she was here, when I first moved here. So yeah, let me show you the outfit. Oh, also, okay, so all right, so this is the outfit. I also have this cream blazers for when I go take myself on my little lunch date. But I'm wearing this bodysuit from Naked Fashion, and then sorry about the lighting, and then these jeans from Zara. I just got this pair because I have a lighter pair in the exact same style, and I love them so much. I wear them all the time. So I got another color. I got some other colors. I got this one, and then I got a black pair, and then I'm gonna wear my Gucci platform slides. I know a lot of people had a lot of questions and comments from my unboxing video, so I wanted to do a quick little update on these. So I've worn them twice now. I don't really wear them a lot because I don't really go to many places, but when I want to look cute, I do like to grab these. They are super comfortable. Like I said, I went up a half size, so that could be why they don't feel uncomfortable to me. And also, I know some people had a concern about the top rubbing up against my toes, but I actually added these clear, let's see if I can show you, hold on. So you see up there, I added these clear little jelly things that I got from Amazon, and they are so comfortable. Like, they don't rub at all. And since I got a larger size, sometimes they do like slide off my feet, but I would prefer that than like rubbing up against my feet and them hurting. They don't hurt me at all, so thank God for that. So if you're thinking about getting these and you're worried about them hurting your feet, maybe go up half a size and then get the cushions that I just showed you. I'll leave them linked below. They're like $7 on Amazon. So yeah, I love them, and I just love how they just spice up like a very simple outfit like this. And yeah, I have my Balenciaga City mini bag, and I think they go great with the shoes, even though the shoes don't really have like a yellow color in them, but they still go. So love this bag with these shoes. So yeah, I'm gonna put on the blazer when I actually go to like a restaurant, but for right now I'm good like this. So yeah, let's go. Such a beautiful day. Just got the hair from Molent. The owner is so nice. She was in there when I went this time. But yeah, this is a cute little neighborhood right off of Melrose. Love the houses around here.
Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.
So I just came from Neiman Marcus. They did not have any of the shoes I was looking for. I went there specifically for the Valentino Tango platform heels because I feel like platforms would be the most comfortable, but they didn't have them. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I might have to order some things and just return whatever doesn't work out. But now I'm headed to Hillstone to get some lunch, a late lunch. It's 3:30 now, and I might get food to go to eat later when I get back home, but I'm probably not going to stay out too late. I don't know, because I also am thinking about going to the beach, so we'll see where this day takes us. But so far it's a really good day. It's kind of hot outside, but it's a beautiful day. So waiting for my drink, but just got the spinach dip. So good. Cheers. Alright, y'all, just finished lunch. Headed to the beach. It is the perfect day. If I'm gonna walk down to the beach. I had one drink and now I'm feeling comfortable with vlogging myself in public, but that's the beach. I might go walk down there. To listen to Kendrick Lamar's new album. Sorry, I'm chewing gum. You can tell, but it's so nice. Let me show you. Look at the mountains back there. Malibu is that way. So nice. I never do this. I didn't bring my blanket or anything from the car, which I should have. So I'm just sitting here in my jeans, but I don't mind. I can wash these. And I put my shoes in the bag with the food, but I put my blazer on top, so I won't get any dirt on the food. And they're also in containers, so I love this. I'm literally just sitting in the middle of the beach. The Santa Monica Pier is over there. It's just such a nice day. I love this. I need to do this more often and better prepared with my things, which I thought to bring them, but then I didn't want to bring like my blanket and everything into Hillstone, so I left it in the car. And I didn't walk back to get it. And I also had flip-flops in the car, sunscreen. I have like a whole little beach kit, but I'll get it next time. Maybe I'll do this again next Sunday. And it's just so nice out here. I'm gonna listen to Kendrick. Okay, y'all, I am back home. I had such a good day. I went and picked up the hair. I went to Neiman Marcus. I didn't see the shoes I wanted, but I did pick up a few things. So I'm gonna do a little haul really quickly. How cute is this bag though? They changed their bags because they're not normally like this. So I'm liking the new look. Yeah, I went to Neiman Marcus and I went to Hillstone. I had a cute little lunch. I have leftover food, so I'm probably about to eat that and watch some Real Housewives of Atlanta if I catch it at the right time. I always get so confused with like the West Coast times versus the East Coast times, but yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm going to get comfortable, but I wanted to quickly show you what I got from Neiman Marcus. So I'm out of my Chanel Le Mousse cleanser, which is like my favorite deep clean cleanser. So I got this new foaming cleanser from Dior. It's called Le Mousse, same name, but it's called Le Mousse Off/On Foaming Cleanser, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I'm guessing it's going to be very similar to the Chanel one, so I'm super excited to try this one and compare it to my Holy Grail Chanel cleanser. Yeah, this is the packaging, very simple, kind of reminds me of the Chanel one too, not gonna lie. So I'm going to go ahead and take my makeup off, so I'll show you how this looks. And then I also got this Forever Natural Bronze Healthy Sun-Kissed Skin Bronzer. I think he might have gave me the wrong thing. 05 Warm Bronze from Dior. Oh, he did. Shoot. So I didn't even check the bag. I wanted the luminizer, and he gave me the bronzer, so I'm gonna have to return this because I already have a bronzer. I wanted the luminizer. This is really cute, but this is not what I wanted. Oh, it's like leather. The packaging is leather, so I'm gonna have to go and exchange this, so I'll do that next weekend. Yeah, my receipt is in the bag, so I'll just keep it in the bag. Just getting the wrong thing, but yeah, I'm gonna go and remove my makeup and try out the cleanser, so let's do that, and then I'll probably end the vlog there so I can start editing it and get this posted. So let's do it. Okay, this is my skin after using the Dior Off-On Le Mousse cleanser. It's looking nice and soft and fresh. It feels very soft. It doesn't feel stripped. compared to the mousse from Chanel. That one is more of a soapy foam, I would say, but not in a bad way, because that is my favorite cleanser. But this one does feel a little bit creamier and nourishing. So if you have dry skin, you probably can still use it even though it's a foamy cleanser. The Chanel one is definitely for oily skin, and I have oily skin. So I'm excited to keep using this. I'm going to try it next with my Vanity Planet face brush, because that's how I like to use my Chanel. That's how I like to use my Chanel cleanser. So I'll let you guys know how this works with the face brush, but so far so good. I'm gonna go and put on the rest of my skincare and start editing this video, eat my leftovers from Hillstone, and call it a night. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more vlogs like this, and also more luxury beauty and fashion videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.